Here's a list of 25 unique small business ideas that require low investment but have high potential for profitability. Create custom avatars for gamers, influencers, or businesses using AI tools or graphic design. Combine fruits, chocolates, and other treats into creative, edible arrangements. Craft tiny replicas of furniture, homes, or landscapes for collectors and hobbyists. Source and sell gently used designer bags, shoes, and clothing. Focus on authenticity. Design and sell trendy or custom temporary tattoos for kids and adults. Curate kits with reusable straws, bamboo utensils, beeswax wraps, and tote bags. Assemble kits with basic tools and guides for common repairs, like fixing leaky faucets. Partner with a supplier to offer personalized LED neon signs for home decor. Offer a curated monthly box of bath salts, candles, journals, and herbal teas. Sell kits with car wash sprays, microfiber towels, and interior cleaning tools. Create themed kits with stickers, paper, and tools for scrapbooking. Offer potted plants to offices or homes on a rental basis, with maintenance included. Sell unique spice blends or custom flavors for foodies. Create personalized puzzles or brain games featuring names, photos, or themes. Repurpose old jeans into bags, aprons, or accessories. Sell compact, themed snack packs for travel, work, or events. Focus on trendy indoor plants like monsteras or succulents with stylish pots. Design scratch-off maps or personalized travel journals. Curate cocktail kits with mini bottles, mixes, and recipe cards. Offer fashionable or themed reusable face masks with added comfort features. Provide kits with wax, wicks, scents, and molds for customers to make their own candles. Customize gaming controllers with unique skins, designs, or ergonomic upgrades. Sell aesthetic stationery, ergonomic tools, or themed planners for workspaces. Deliver gourmet pet treats monthly, including options for dietary needs. Create custom items like keychains, ornaments, or figurines using a 3D printer. If you want to build a profitable business, focus on personalization because customers love products tailored to their needs. You can offer name or logo customization for an extra charge. Make sure to leverage trends by monitoring Pinterest and TikTok for popular design ideas. You can also offer bundles by creating packages for events, such as wedding signs with matching table decor. Starting a custom service business is a creative and lucrative way to turn a small investment into growing profits. Whatever you're crafting and personalizing for your customers, your business can bring light into people's lives, literally. Which of these ideas feels exciting for your next or new business venture? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more business ideas, strategies, processes, and everything entrepreneurship.